Most leaders understand that cybersecurity is an organizational risk. Resourcing cybersecurity must be weighed against all the other risks the organization faces. This is especially true because cybersecurity changes so quickly and is not that well understood. The image on screen denotes a typical reporting structure. CEO means Chief Executive Officer, CIO is the Chief Information Officer, and CISO is the Chief Information Security Officer. Organizations will often face major security investment questions. CIOs alone cannot make those decisions. Leadership need to take it on. There is no reporting structure that good leadership can't overcome. Conversely, there is no reporting structure that will fix bad leadership. It's worth noting that in the 2014 PwC Global State of Information Security Report, organizations where the CISO reports to the CIO had 14% more downtime due to cyber attacks, and their financial losses were 46% higher. Let's now turn our attention to different types of DevSecOps stakeholders. You have been introduced to both internal and external stakeholders so far, for example, customers, suppliers, and teams. Let's take a look at development stakeholders specifically. This includes anyone involved in developing software products and services such as architects, customers, product owners, project managers, testers, and analysts. Operations stakeholders refers to anyone involved in delivery and managing software products such as information security professionals, systems engineers and administrators, release engineers and SREs, network engineers, and third-party vendors. Leadership stakeholders refers to executives and directors. All directors should have a basic awareness of cybersecurity based on jargon-free principles. This could be developed through a user story capturing governance from the perspective of a director. These stakeholders look for assurance in concise, understandable language that they have adequate management of cyber threats and that they are aware of significant attacks and near misses, as well as what actions could be taken to prevent reoccurrence. Leadership will want reassurance that they are aware of security arrangement for third parties and that they've invested in cybersecurity effectively and efficiently. There are ways of identifying which roles to assign to different stakeholders, such as the RACI matrix. To promote collaboration between stakeholders, consider providing real-time reporting, building easy-to-understand dashboards, and authenticating machine-to-machine communication. Map any changes made and ensure all access is logged and monitored. These techniques can be used to support auditing and compliance, as well as opening communication channels between stakeholders. DevOps doesn't start with development or end with operations, because IT service delivery is much more complex and opaque than that. There's a lot of software and systems involved at each step in the SDLC. In DevOps, the whole SDLC software development lifecycle is continuous. Business usually brackets the process. Upstream inputs such as strategy, marketing, and finance lead to downstream outputs, eventually, such as sales, compliance, and customer satisfaction. Specific metrics for each stakeholder could take the shape of process times, team efficiency, build speeds, failure rates, satisfaction rates, and exception counts. Shared metrics help align teams and stakeholders across the SDLC. These shared metrics align common interest and concerns and could take the shape of return on investment, code quality, performance, remediation time, and time to deliver.